is a bit harder. I mean, it's all house music, but techno is harder. Speed garage is a mixture between garage and drum and bass, which started in London. It's just more or less the garage beats and the songs, but with big bass lines. And you know, there's not much difference in it all, but they've got their own crowds, so it's all pretty similar. Tonight I'll be playing more or less a mixture of house with a bit of garage, you know, some vocals. I'll probably start off with house music and then towards the end go into vocal garage. If you're a DJ, you play how you've got your own style to play. You should play how you play, no matter what country you're in. That doesn't really matter. I mean, if someone books you, you shouldn't really change the style of music. You should always play how you play, because that's what people maybe expect from you and want to hear. So you should stick to how. I'll be playing what I usually play wherever I am. Well, I mean, you can take them on a journey. You know, you can start off quite mellow and then build it to harder or whatever, whichever way you go, more vocals. You know, that, I mean, again, the drug thing, that's a mad, I don't know, drugs. I hate talking about drugs. I don't know many artists from Brazil. I mean, I've got some old albums like Sergio Mendes, but I don't know, is he from Brazil? Yeah. Sergio Mendes, and I love the old stuff. I've used parts in some songs, but this year I plan to be using more of the rhythms. So I love the rhythms, and I think Brazilian rhythms mixed with house that's a great combination, and that can really work the dance floor. So I will be using it. Probably the biggest raves I've played have been in Italy. I mean, one rave I played was a concert for Janet Jackson in London. There was 8,000 people there, and I warmed up for Janet Jackson. But that was quite commercial, very young crowd, so I was playing more very commercial music. It wasn't that great. But I mean, the biggest raves I've done have probably been in Italy, 5,000 people. But it's harder really when you've got a lot of people there in front to really know what they want to hear, you know. So I prefer, you know, maybe 1,000, 2,000 is just right. You know, when it's 5,000, it's too much. The ministry's been going for 7 years now, just under 7 years, and I mean, first and foremost, it was just a club based on a New York club, and it was a very American style of music, and from there it grew to releasing CDs and then merchandise, clothes and everything, and now it's become probably one of the biggest club names in the world. You know, it's got a magazine, so I mean, they're getting bigger every time.
Rapaziada do RK7 que tá falando aqui é o Falcão do Rap.